we're going to integrate this function 4t to the 5 minus 7 times t to the 4 dt. Now, usually it's x, but now you have t, but it's the same procedure. How would you know that it's substitution that you're going to use? Well, you have 4t to the 5 minus 7. That's a function. But you don't have anything else happening to it. Well, it seems so. But you can consider that you have a t to the 4. It doesn't seem like a function of a function. But the fact that you have this t to the 4 here means if you use the technique of substitution, you're going to have to differentiate 4t to the 5 minus 7. And you're going to get something t to the 4. And it seems like this t to the 4 will cancel this t to the 4. Right? These two t to the 4s will cancel. Now you can consider this as a function of a function. If you say this is 4t to the 5 minus 7, a function raised to the power of 1, another function. So you can still consider it a function of a function. Alright? So, let's look at what you're going to have. Let u be equal to 4t to the 5 minus 7. So what will happen is that du by dt is going to be 5 fourths 20 t to the 5 minus 1, which is 4, minus 0, because when you differentiate 7, which is a constant, you get 0. Now you have a dt here and a dt here. What you want to do is make this dt the subject. So dt is equal to, it would be du over 20 t to the 4. Again, I could use any other letter to substitute. Could use v, I could use w, I could use a, whatever letter to substitute instead of u. It's just that u is a very popular letter. Alright? So I use that. When you substitute, I use integration by substitution. U is a very popular letter to use. Alright, so here, the integral of 4t to the 5 minus 7 is the same as the integral of u. Now you have t to the 4, which is this, right? T to the 4. dt, which is this. But instead of writing back dt, you're going to write this. So you have du over 20 t to the 4. Alright? So now, let me rewrite this. The integral of u, I put du here, times t to the 4 times this would be 1 over 20 t to the 4. But the t to the 4, let me just put it under here. T to the 4. So you can see t to the 4 over t to the 4 is 1. So this is equal to the integral of 1 over 20 u du. I could put the 1 over 20 outside of the integral sign. So you have integral of u du, which is 1 over 20. We have up there. When you integrate u with respect to u du, what you have is u squared over 2 plus c. Alright? So this becomes 1 over 22, 40. So this becomes 1 over 40 u squared plus c. But you want to write back everything in terms of t, the original function. So what you have is 4t to the 5 minus 7. So it is 1 over 40 by 4t to the 5 minus 7 plus c. So that is what you have as your answer. Now this isn't raised to the 2 and the 3 and so on. So you can open the bracket, right? It won't give you too much work to open the bracket. You put 4 over 40. This is going to be 110 t to the 5. So it's t to the 5 over 10 minus 7 over 40 plus c. You can write it that way. So you can write the answer that way. Alright, I will see you in the next video.